All right, all the way from Australia, we have MCo Beauty. I got this on Amazon because it came the next day, and this is very, very much like this. So in this video, we are gonna do some swatches. We're gonna put this on under foundation, over foundation, and I'm gonna give you my thoughts. I am wearing it now. So let me know real quick, drop a comment. Do you like it? Do you not like it? And let's just get into the video. I'm so excited for this video. I don't know if you guys have ever heard of this brand. It's called MCo Beauty, and they are from Australia, and I guess it's their version of like Makeup Revolution, but they are, it says on their website, they're the leading like luxe, but for affordable pricing. I had heard of it. It's just now available in the United States. You can get it off of their website and get it shipped to you. I got mine off of Amazon because as soon as I heard, sorry, I have my hair up because I just blew it out. As soon as I heard that it was available, I was like, let me check if Amazon has this, and they absolutely did. Basically, it's a dupe brand. You're probably gonna hear Luna in the background. And this is what I ordered. I mean, what does it remind you of? I don't know, maybe this? This one is so freaking old. Yeah, they duped it. They duped Charlotte Tilbury, and apparently it's a very close dupe. I have not tried this yet. This is gonna be like a first impression. We're gonna play around with it and I'll let you know my thoughts. I will do a swatch comparison between the two. When I talked about this product last time, I'm gonna say it again, I'm not gonna put it on my face because it's very old. I just have it because swatch reasons. And then I also have the e.l.f. Halo Liquid Glow Filter. This is also very old. So I'm not putting these on my face. We're just gonna swatch them. This guy retails for $26 on Amazon. Now I'm sure if you sign up to their website, you can get like a discount or something emailed to you that you can get a discount. I didn't wanna wait that long. I just went to Amazon because I have Prime, and I mean, I got it the next day. I ordered shade 3.5, which is light medium. And let's just, well, first of all, let me just show you the packaging. Packaging is extremely similar, even to like the tops, with the names on the tops and like it's being like a little like rigid, I guess. Glass bottles, you have the same, well, the font used to be in red and it's red here, and I think the Charlotte Tilbury part was in white. And then you have this little like emblem here, and then it has the line. Again, this one's completely worn off. So that's pretty crazy. And I wanna say this is about half the price of this one. And you are getting 1 ounce here, and I believe the Charlotte is an ounce as well. All right, I don't have any makeup on my face because I wanted to try it on bare skin. Throw a little foundation on after, and then we'll try it on top to see what the glow is like. Let's just swatch it. Fresh bottle. It says that it's gonna have a radiant glowing finish. I see that on Amazon, it has like pictures of the products. It's almost like people use this as a tint, so we'll see. Again, this is shade 3.5. And that's what it looks like. Wow, that's super, super nice. And you can see when I turn my hand, like the glow is really, really beautiful. All right, let's kind of, it feels nice. It feels kind of like a serum. It does feel pretty hydrating, and my hands are a little on the dry side. So I'm just blending it out. Sorry. All right, so that's the MCo Beauty. That's Luna in the background. Swatch the Charlotte next to it. Now the Charlotte I have in shade 4. To me, shade 4 was probably a little bit lighter, and I'm gonna blend it out. So this is shade 4, Charlotte Tilbury, and this is shade 3.5 of MCo Beauty. I mean, it's very similar. I almost wanna say the MCo Beauty is a little more reflective. Luna, hey. Psst. She's aggressively scratching her litter box right now. So we're just gonna give her a minute because I can't talk over it. Now she's done. Okay, so I wanna say that the MCo Beauty is a little more reflective. Yeah, and that's crazy because I always thought that the Charlotte one was a little more metallic. And just for funsies, we're gonna do the halo on this side. This is in shade 3. Once the halo one goes bad, the e.l.f. one, oh my god, it stinks. What's the halo one? Alright, so that's halo. I don't know if you could see. It's more subtle. Charlotte's like right here. I don't know, it's really nice though. The Charlotte and the MCo Beauty are both very like hydrating. And I want to say that as far as pigmentation goes, I mean, they're pretty similar. So this part here is MCo and right next to it is Charlotte. Let's try it on. All right, like I said, I saw I saw that they're using it as like a tint for all over the face. I don't know if I would necessarily put it, you know what, we're just gonna try it. If it's too much, I will I'll just put foundation over it. So again, 3.5. I'm gonna take, I do like, okay, this has like a nice little stopper here. It seems like it's a lot cleaner than the Charlotte one. The palm of my hand. So it has a little bit of coverage. I would say light. You could probably layer it up to like a solid light. I'm sorry, I would say it's more of a sheer coverage. And as I'm applying it to the skin, it's not as crazy metallic, I guess because I just did like a heavier swatch on my hand. That's why you can't always trust swatches. But it's definitely glowy. Okay. Now, I've worn the Charlotte Tilbury one in the past, and I find that it is definitely more metallic. This one, like as I'm turning, you see that there's a glow, but it's not like Tin Man metallic. I definitely swatched too much when I put it on my hand. This is beautiful. This I could actually wear as like a tint. What do you guys think? It's really nice. It's lightweight. It doesn't stay like tacky or anything like that. It feels hydrating. All right, I'm gonna put my hair down because I look crazy right now. It's really nice. All right, let's throw a little foundation on top to see if that kind of disturbs anything. I'm gonna do a little Glossier. This is in shade L5. And I like to just put it on my hand and just kind of, I go like this and I apply it onto my skin. I feel like it looks more natural like that. I'm not looking for full coverage today. I just want something light. All right, let's pop some on top of the cheek and see what that's like. It's really pretty. It just blends out nice. So I'm not seeing glittery shimmer particles, in case somebody's curious. I don't see any shimmer particle. I would say it's more like it's a metallic pearlescent glow. And it's not, oh, I don't know why I got out of focus there. It's not overpowering. It's not overpowering or anything. It's actually really nice. I want to say it's kind of on the natural side. So I would say somewhere, if you're used to the e.l.f., it's a little more glowy than the e.l.f. A little less metallic versus the Charlotte Tilbury. So this one's like a nice kind of in the middle thing. Really pretty product. Again, it paid like $26 for it. So I think it's worth the price, especially if it's somewhere like, it's a dupe for this. I would say that it's definitely a dupe for it. It's a little less metallic-y Tin Man, but it's really pretty. And it could be worn on its own and not be like overkill. And then apply it on top as a highlighter just gives that extra like boost. So, all right guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful and I'll see you in my next one.